Okay, you guys, it is Vlogmas day 7. It is currently 10:30, 10:24 to be exact, and I've really dropped the ball today. The whole reason why I didn't vlog today at all, even though there was stuff to vlog, was I actually didn't charge my camera, so I'm so sorry, and the quality on my phone isn't there. Not only is the quality not there, but adding to that, the audio isn't good, so I literally have to have an external mic plugged in for it even to work. I know I do need to get a new phone, but I just don't want to invest in one right now, so I'm gonna be waiting till next year, probably mid to late 2019 so the quality is just not there right now for my phone, so I'm gonna wait from mid to the end of 2019 to buy a new to buy a new phone. As you could see, I just came out of the shower. I have on my Cookie Monster robe. But I did do things today. Don't think I didn't. So I'm actually going to be showing you what I got today at Ulta. I didn't get anything for me. It is for a Secret Santa at my work. So I'm going to be showing you what I got my coworker. It is so cute. I went to work. I clearly took a shower. My hair's all wet. And I promise I'll make it up to you guys later on in the vlog, but I'm just gonna show you really quick what I got my coworker, and then I'll call it a night. So this is the really cute bag that I got from Ulta Beauty. It's kind of like this coral with polka dot. Ulta Beauty, you really need to do some Christmassy kind of bags, maybe blue with some snowflakes, or red with a ugly sweater pattern on it. I lied, I did get something for me as literally we were walking out of the store. It is the Bedhead Rockaholic Dirty Secret Dry Shampoo. I was about to say dirty shampoo, but I have tried this before. It was only $3. It's originally $10. It was on sale, and if I would have known it was on sale, I would have gotten about maybe like 3 more of these. So 3 total, so 2 more of these. But I really like it. It is a lifesaver. So, had to get that. And then this is what I got for my coworker. It is the TooFaced Tutti Frutti Christmas Fruitcake Limited Edition Makeup Collection, and it is so pretty. You could literally see us in there. Like, hi. So I got this for my coworker for the office Secret Santa. There's also another Secret Santa for the whole department. I work at a hospital, just so you know. So cute. And she and I absolutely love Jeffree Star, so I actually got her one more thing, and it is coming in the mail. It is one of his lip scrubs in the flavor eggnog, so I'm just going to be putting it in this little bag. So there's that, the bag. Here's a lip gloss, a liquid highlight, and also a duo of bronzer and I think highlight. Yeah. So I hope she likes it. It is so cute. It's limited edition. So yeah, I personally thought it was cute. I would totally get this for myself, but they only had one left. It was crazy. I went to the store at about noon and they open at 10. So within 2 hours they sold all of their items. But yeah, that is it. I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Good night. Okay, you guys, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 8, and I promise my battery is fully charged and I am ready to just vlog today. As you could tell, I haven't done my hair, I don't have any makeup on, but it's okay. I actually lost my shoe on the stairs because I'm just wearing these little slippers. And they're too big because I have a size 6 shoe. But I'm just gonna eat some breakfast and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
They're butterfly and a tenderloin, beef tenderloin. It's the main course for...
Oh, you put up the Santa. That one right there. Whatever happened to Marcella? Okay, you guys, so I clearly just finished doing my hair. I'm gonna be doing my makeup here in a few seconds, but I just wanted to talk about this new music video parody done by Eliza King, aka Superwoman. She collabed with James Charles, and they did their own rendition of Freaky Friday by Lil Dicky and Chris Brown. And it was so funny. I will have that linked in the description down below because it is so great. I totally recommend watching it. Okay, you guys, so I am actually putting on my makeup right now. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for the first time. For a few months now, my favorite concealer has been the Tarte Shape Tape, but I heard this is a little bit more moisturizing, and like I've said in previous videos, my skin is as dry as the Sahara. Literally, I get like dry patches and stuff. So I hope that this helps. And I don't know, maybe this will be my new favorite concealer. I'll let you guys know what I think after a few hours of wearing this. Okay, you guys, so I've just gotten done with my makeup. I will let you know how the Too Faced concealer wears throughout the day. But so far, I'm liking it. It's adding like a brightness to my face. And yeah, I cannot wait for the Jeffree Star highlight that I got to come into the mail. It's in, what is it in? It's in the shade Peach Goddess. So I can't wait to swatch that and try it for you guys. You guys, the miracle that is makeup. No wonder women and men spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on this industry every single year. It is amazing. So as you can see, it is a few hours later. I have actually come home from work. It is 8:48 right now, and I'm currently watching The Grinch. So far, I'm really liking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but again, this is just first impressions. This is not a full-on review, so I have worn it all throughout today. It's really nice, really lightweight. It hasn't creased at all, and it's a little bit more lightweight than the Tarte Shape Tape, so I'll let you guys know what I think about it probably on the 11th or the 12th. So. And I forgot to tell you guys yesterday, I went to this religious store with my mom. I got some things, really cute little things, so I'm about to show you right now. They're little like charms and everything, little prayer charms for Christmas and all throughout the year. But the whole reason why we were at that religious store, that Catholic store, is because my cousin is making his confirmation and my brother just happens to be his sponsor, and they're both at Search right now, so we had to get them gifts and write him a letter. So yeah, but I'm just gonna show you what I got. So first up, I got this little box, and it contains 3 little angels in it. This is what they look like. And the angels were kind of an afterthought. What really caught my eye was this little snowflake box. And each little snowflake is different. So I'm going to be filming a new makeup video for you guys tonight, like right now. So I'm going to just wrap up today and I'll see you in the morning. Oh my gosh, you guys. So it is about noon right now. It is so hectic right here. It is Vlogmas Day 9. I want to say it's Vlogmas Day 9. But I actually have a family reunion today, and I'm not going to call off work, so I'm going to head straight to work after my family reunion, and it's just been a little bit stressful, so I will see you guys after I put on all my makeup. Okay, you guys, so the makeup is done, and I'm about to head over to the store.
Later.
Oh my gosh, so that was insane. I just ran to the grocery store, and one second. I just ran to the grocery store. They only had 2 people working at the deli, which was insane. So there were so many people there. I was there for about 15-20 minutes. It should have been a run in and run out kind of thing, but I'm finally here. I'm back home and I'm ready to go to this like little family reunion kind of thing. There's a lot of elderly people there, so I don't want to vlog because they'll think I'm insane, or you know, like they won't want to be out here on the internet. So I'm just going to leave it here and I'll see you guys when I come home from work. Okay, you guys, so I literally just sped like a demon to get here. I'm at work right now. I'm right here in the parking lot. I need a change and I'll see you after my shift. Okay, you guys, so I am back from work and I am so tired. I'm sorry that today's vlog wasn't as entertaining as I wanted it to be, but hopefully tomorrow is better. I will see you in the morning.